Good late morning, close to afternoon, brothers and sisters. It is 11:02 a.m. Central Standard Time on February 26, 2022, and we're going to take another look and another visit to Vladimir Putin and the situation going on in Ukraine. Or is there something going on in Ukraine? And here we are. After the Ukrainian government calls to arms, we can exclusively report that thousands of young students across the Western world are mobilizing to come to their defense, the defense of Ukraine, and this is what they're recruiting. Are you kidding me? And these things are popping up all over the place. Putin invades, and this poor woman here. But the funny thing is that it was the same thing from a gas explosion in 2018? Wait a minute here. That would mean that she would be an actor. I won't let me zoom in on it anymore. An actor. Let's see here. Uh-oh. Stop using fake pics from 2018 Ukrainian gas explosion event of same injured woman. Uh-oh. Here we go. Yep. Google has image search grayed out on this photo. Yep, they certainly do. Look at this. Oh, Putin keeps bombing this poor woman. Where is Eric CIA Ramella when you need him? Or is that name still verboten? Look at this, folks. It's the same lady. Here she is laying down. Come on. These are old photos. Maybe something's not going on at all. I wonder if we can find them doing makeup. I bet we can. Let's see. Uh-oh. Here we go. Look at that. That's so fake. Fakest thing ever. Gaza? Wait a minute. Gaza? Now, fun fact, how many people actually happen to know that in Ukraine, where all this stuff is going on, they're Turkish? That's right. Turkish. I bet most of y'all didn't know that, did you? But we'll get to that in a minute. Look at this. Oh boy, all these headlines, the same woman all over the place. Okay, I'm starting to smell some bull crap going on here. Let's go on over. Let's see what else we got. Oh, wait a minute. Same lady from... Well, it could be the same lady. I mean, 2011, 22, 11 years later. It very well could be. I'm not going to rule it out, but... maybe. Her blood, his hands, blah, blah, right? Photo shows Israeli airstrikes in Gaza, not Russia attacks on Ukraine. Wait a minute. Oh, well, that's where the Gaza thing comes in. What? No way. Claim. Photo shows explosions from Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine. AP's assessment? False. The image was captured in May 2021 and shows Israeli airstrikes in the Gaza Strip. Well, wait a minute. If the video that I just showed was from the Gaza Strip and, Israeli kids with all that makeup, that means that was all bullcrap too, wasn't it? Facts. As Russia launched a wide-ranged attack on Ukraine on Thursday, images and videos flooded social media platforms claiming to show live footage of the invasion. But one image of a fire explosion hitting buildings under a night sky depicts Israeli airstrikes on the Gaza Strip in May 2021. Now the Russian airstrike in Ukraine February 2022. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. Who remembers that commercial? Like, seriously? Wow. Guess what Vladimir Putin has to say to everybody? Here you go, deep state. Sit on this and rotate. I love it. I love it. Uh-oh. Old photo viral as Ukraine president joins army to fight against Russia. Boom. Found that the photos show Ukrainian President Gesundheit visiting the Donetsk region, eastern Ukraine in 2021. Volodymyr, whatever, I don't even know how to say that. It sounds like I'm gay. That's what it sounds like to me. Not literally, folks. Does anybody else know that before he was elected the current president of Ukraine, he was an actor on a show called Servant of the People, where he played the role of the president of Ukraine on TV. No. Oh, what is this? CNN Oh no, he got killed. He was a journalist that got killed in Afghanistan on August 16, 2021 from CNN. What? Uh-oh. And then CNN said he died in Ukraine. Oh no. What's going on here? Oh, come on. Actually, the funny thing is they use the same name. Bernie Gores. Bernie Gores. Oh, you poor guy, Bernie Gores. You poor son of a gun. Look at this. This poor guy replying, "Terrible. I followed him on Twitter. I think he would love it if everyone got a chili meal from Wendy's tonight." Really? Oh, yes, here we go. Here's the crest of Ukraine. Right here. Here's a Khazarian Tamga. Folks, look that up. See what that is. Turkish. A Turkish tribe. Yeah. Money laundering. Oh, Chernobyl never exploded. Wait, what? And there is no radiation. Oh, come on. That's not true, is it? It was used as the elite's central bank, where they stashed their treasures and money. That's why this place was off the map for decades, but not anymore. The current central bank of the elites is in North Korea. Oh, things are making a little more sense now, ain't they, folks? Now this is a hypothetical maybe. I don't know this for sure, but it wouldn't surprise me any. Now look at this. This is Ukraine watching the Russians come in. Look, wait. Hold on, back that up. Are they waving? They're waving. Look they're waving. Hi. How you doing? With a cigarette. How you doing, guy? Thumbs up. They're not distressed. They're not upset. They're waving at him. Like they're happy they're there. Because they know what's going on in their own country. That makes sense to me. They don't sound stressed whatsoever. Wait a minute. The Ukraine president's a Jew? He's Jewish? Wait a minute here. Aren't a lot of your Hollywood elite actors and actresses Jewish as well? Wait a minute. Didn't he act as a president? On a show? Like an actor? Can anybody smell what I'm stepping in here? Y'all smell that? I'm smelling it. It ain't smelling too good. Check this out. Now this is in another foreign language, so I don't speak it. Looks like it says Russia bombard of Ukraine, right? Wait a minute. Tangling China explosions 2015 is the same footage. It's the same exact footage, same buildings. Look at that. Folks, you can't make this stuff up. You just can't. Now, granted, there's a missile right there. They're being brought in for sure. But what's going on there for real? Oh, Spaceballs. Oh, folks, you can't make this up. How ironic is this? Rick Moranis. Folks, I think there's stuff that's going on that's really not happening. We're seeing things that are not real. Oh, it's a fabricated bunch of farced crap. It's a load of bullocks. Here we are in Ukraine. Check this out. Local time, 19/20/16. Live stream. This is their local time. Okay? Ukraine live camera. Multiple viewpoints. Russian. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. Where's the invasion? I don't see any vehicles. In fact, you know what? Let's take this back. How old is the live stream? Look at this. 10 hours. Look at this. This is old. So let's go back. Let's go all the way back here. Boop. Let's see what's going on. Wow. Where's this big bad invasion at, folks? Weren't they showing all that explosions and all those fires and all that stuff going on TV? You've been seeing, especially right around here, all this explosions. Where's that? In fact, let's bring it up a little bit. Let's come over here. Let's advance it a little bit. Let's see where we're at. Oh, I still don't see anything. Let's try up here. I still don't really see anything. Anybody else? I'm not seeing any tanks. I'm not seeing Nothing. I'm not seeing helicopters. Huh. What's going on in Ukraine, folks? Well, from what I'm seeing, nothing. This is just 6 hours ago now. Supposedly there was all kinds of explosions. They've been blown up. Everything. I don't see nothing. I don't see no military anything. Where? Folks, I think there's some bullcrap going on. There's a game afoot, so to speak. I mean, look at this. There's nothing. Nothing whatsoever. I'm confused. Is anybody else here confused? There's nothing going on here. Literally nothing. Where's all these bombs and these explosions that we're seeing all over here? That they're showing. I'm not seeing any of that. Welcome to the world of CGI, folks. Or they make it look like that crap. These are live cameras. I don't see nothing. Folks, this is what I keep saying. We need to keep our eyes open. Remember that love is the only way forward. No fear. Oh, is there somebody down here? Oh, excuse me, officer, I got a flat tire. Or excuse me, so-and-so. Are you okay? Maybe he's got a flat tire. Who knows? I don't see any war. I don't see any battles going on. How many people have noticed that nobody's talking about the coronavirus anymore? Nobody's talking about the Rona, the COVID, the jab, the shot, the booster, the vax. I'll say it on my channel. I don't give a I really don't. And now it's, oh, the war, the war, the war. You know, what war? It's all bullocks. In my opinion, I think we're being verschwindled. I mean, here we go. Star Wars. The Democrat, the Dempire smokes crack or meth, whatever. Biden crime family. Come on, folks. I do got to give a big shout out to a few individuals. Ambiguous Fig, Sam. He's on Rise Above, and Esoteric Knights of Malta as a moderator. He's a great guy. I love you, Sam. And also Ambiguous Fig and another friend of mine here in the United States. We're gonna call her Special T. I'm not gonna drop her name on here for harassment reasons from another individual who likes to stalk my channel. How you doing, James Kaufman? So, yeah. Big shout out to those that have helped me out along the way. A lot of them, I see this information in different sources, and, you know, I actually am able to put this together because of them. For today, a lot of times I do a lot of my own research, but just in the last 2 days I have been flooded with a lot of information, seeing it in different spots, and I'm able to put it together for you. So I think this whole war that we're seeing with the Ukraine and Russian invasion, I think it's a farce. I think it's being blown out of proportion. It's made that way because why? The media wants it that way. Why? Because that's where all their money laundering comes from, so they want to make it this big bad thing so that we can go and invade and do all this stuff when Putin's just sitting off to the side like, what are you talking about? I haven't invaded nothing. I just showed up there, and the ones that are there, they welcomed me. What are you talking about? So I think this is a big ruse. I'm sure there are some things going on, but I know that there's a lot of crap that's not happening that the media is saying. Remember where we're getting the source from, folks? They're the same ones that are telling us, "Oh, go get the vax. It's safe." Right? Whatever. Anyway, stay safe out there, folks. Eyes open, no fear, and remember that love is the only way forward.